So here's how you can grow your Twitter account and get a lot of followers on your account. So first, what you want to do is optimize your profile, meaning that it's really easy for someone to just simply look at your account and just follow you. So basically, you want to make your username and your name super short and easy to remember. So in this case, you just make it your first and last name, or you can make it something that sounds really short and snappy like Mr. Beast. So then after you have completely optimized your profile, what you want to do is go to really popular creators, such like Mr. Beast or maybe other famous people who is really relevant on Twitter. Like Elon Musk also works. And essentially what you want to do is basically just have notifications turned on. So click on the follow button and click on the bell icon, click on all tweets so then you get notified every time they post a new tweet. What you have to do from here is every time they post, you want to be one of the first people to click on their tweet. So as soon as it goes live, click on it. Let's say that this one right here, happy birthday, Mr. Beast, just went live. You want to click on it and basically just reply your tweet and say something really, really controversial or something really funny that can potentially get a lot of likes. So say something along the lines of like, basically you want to say something that's really easy to get a lot of likes. Simply click on reply. And if you're one of the first people, there's a really good chance that you're just going to show up first in everyone's page. And basically, essentially, if you get, let's say 1,000 or 10,000 likes, that's easily like 100 to 1,000 followers. And you can just basically spam on a lot of big people's accounts and then grow your Twitter account from there.